All right. Sorry I have not posted. My river was flooded. My spot's full of water. I was on vacation. I went to Tennessee and the Smokies. Did not catch anything. I'll show a little footage though, because it was nice down there. We have arrived. What? Wherever you want. But yeah, I didn't catch it. I didn't catch a fish. The only thing I had on, I was aiming for a trout, was like, I was sitting there and had kind of like my rod tip in the water, and I had like a 9-inch smallie bite, and then he flopped off. I wasn't really paying attention. That was the closest thing I got to a fish. But thank God the water's down now. It looks pretty nice. Yeah, earlier the water was like up to the top of this little situation right here. There's a white crane up there. Hope that picked that up. There's that crane again. I'll have to look up what that thing is. Pure white. It's not a heron. Excuse me. It is a heron. It is definitely not a crane. Feel me? You feel me, dog? Oh, there we go. Oh, I missed him. Dang it. I get him to bite again. Oh. Hit it again. There we go. Oh, no! No! Oh, he just bit right when I turned the camera off. Dang it. Ready to go home. Oh, to go home. Ready to go home. I'll catch something this weekend. Gotta catch me something this weekend. New spot. Well, one I haven't recorded in. But there you go. Oh, I would have had one first try. There we go. Oh, it's a chub. You gotta say nice rainbow right off the bat. It's a chub. There you go. All right, bye, buddy. Looks like we're coming up on a couple spots that can hold fish. Right past here. Really like how that looks. The water's never been low enough for me to actually say what the heck is on that bank underneath those big rocks. But it is today. Oh, there we go. A tiny largemouth. I put some bug spray on, so I'll rinse my hand for him. I'm just cool like that. Look at that guy. Nice one. Nice one. Got to be at least 3 inches. I'll take a picture for the meme. See you later, little buddy. For the meme, you feel me? Dang, if there was gonna be a big trout in here, I'd think it would be right here. Freaking mosquitoes. Oh my God, they're so bad right now. Got a chub while the camera was off. That's what she said. Bye, buddy. Something, you know, it's something. I just switched lures on the bank here, and while I was sitting here, something big jumped behind me. So I got something a little bigger on, different color. Oh, what the heck? Is that a big chub? Yeah, big chub. Big chub. Bye, big chub. Bye-bye. Huh. I kind of feel like that's what jumped. Maybe it wasn't that big. I'm gonna break my ankle out here. Here's the next spot. See if we can tempt anything against this wall here. Oh my God, I wasn't recording. A freaking something just smacked it here. I must have been a pike. Ah, that's the worst. Oh, I had something and it's gone. Awesome. Oh, there we go. That's bigger, whatever that is. Big creek chub. I'll take a picture of that. That's stupid big. Hi, buddy. Here we go. That's something else. That's a little steelhead. Stop wriggling, buddy. You'd be out already. There you go. Little steelhead. All right. Little steelhead, buddy. Bye-bye. I knew he was different. These steelhead, the stalker, is just trash, man. There we go. Come here. Another little steelhead. Pretty, that's a pretty one. There's an owl, I don't know. Might be able to hear it. There's an owl hooting right here too. Oh, that's a nice fish. Super colorful. Red fins on the bottom. That's, I hope it picks that up pretty good. That's a really nice looking fish. Oh, nope. No, you don't. All right, bye, buddy. There he goes. It's a good hole right here. There we go. Little creek chub. Little creek chub action. Bye, buddy. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes. There you go. Oh, it bit me. Little steelhead. All right. Bye, buddy. Bye-bye. There's steelhead in here still from the spring. That really makes me think that there's gonna be a nice brown hiding somewhere. When you got the banks and it's all roots like that, there's like there's caves underneath from the water rushing. It rolled all the soil that's left as roots. And then you got like a little cave. I can see little steelhead down there. Just kind of rooting around. But that's where the browns like to sit. Like there's a creek out by Watertown. I've never really had much luck there, but I see them there. They're just nice big browns, and they just sit up under the bank. I just spooked up right on a buck. Can't quite see his horns. Yeah, there you go. That's funny. This spring when I was here, like I was saying, I walked down a fawn, like a real small one, so that ain't him, but could be one of his. Ooh. Getting closer to that hoo. There he goes. Bye, Mr. Buck. A couple seasons ago, I caught a really nice brown right out of this real shallow spot. I'll never forget it. I'm like, there's no way. That was before I got into trout fishing. Like, there's no way nothing would sit right here, but let's try it. Wham! Trout smacked it. So every time I'm here, I have to try it. Big brown, where's my big brown? Something really small. What the heck? What the heck is that? No way. The smallest little rainbow trout of my life. No way. Huh. All right, buddy. You flopping around too much? Bye-bye. There he goes. He's fine. That's funny. I can't believe he bit that. That lure is bigger than him. There you go. Little trout. Blink. See what we got. I net them because I want to see them, you know. Even if they're little, I want to see what the heck. Some of them are pretty. There you go. Unhooked yourself. Thank you, my friend. Oh my God. Let's go fishing. Can we go fishing? Yes. I'll go fishing. I hope you make it, buddy, because you are kind of screwed up. All right. Bye-bye. Let's go fishing. I'll go fishing with you, buddy, all right? Oh, that's not good. There's a tree fell on the power line right here. Maybe I shouldn't go in the water. I'm gonna go in the water anyway. That sucked. It's electric. Now we're up to something I've never fished. I've never fished this far up the creek towards Lake Michigan. There goes something little. There we go. Ah, there he goes. There's a little trout. Dang it. There we go. Ooh, pretty little rainbow. Right at dusk. All right, bye, buddy. Oh, here we go. A chub. That'd be a chub right there. Oh, bye. He's like, fuck you. Oh, something big swiped at it. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Oh, it's a brookie. Let's go, let's go. It's a brookie. Oh, I haven't gotten a brookie in too freaking long. Super light. Bye bye. Bye bye. There we go. There we go. It's nice. Oh, maybe not. There we go. I got him. Whoa! Oh my God! Oh my God! Crazy little brown. No way. Crazy. Crazy little brown. My God. Super dark. I hit the trifecta today. All right. Bye, buddy. Thank you for biting. Oh, that's awesome. Whatever that was awesome. Crazy looking little brown. I just turned the camera off and caught a little steelhead. Get off me, mosquitoes. Little steelhead. Bye-bye. Oh, there we go. That'll be a little steelhead. Yeah, little steelhead. Bye, buddy. There we go. Little guy. Little something. Little rainbow. Little fella. What's up, little fella? Oh, so close. There you go. Bye. Oh. Oh. Hit my head. My God. Got a concussion. Oh man. I took one last cast. That's gonna be a brown. Let's go. Last cast, I took one more. I was pushing it. Oh, where do I unhook him? Let's go. That's probably gonna be the best fish of the day. Nice brown. Oh, there he goes. Bye, buddy. Sweet.